What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So as you saw, I have my Boxycharm, and this is my purchase box. I have the yearly subscription, but I was planning on doing a try on, and the way that the products wound up being in my box, it just really didn't make any sense. So instead, I thought we could just do a comparison between my gifted and my purchased boxes. I'll do a little recap of my gifted box, and then I'll show you what I got in my purchase box. So in my gifted box, I have 5 items, of course. The first thing was the Yensa Tone Up Essential Glow Primer. I actually have this. I actually switched out. This is the one I've been using, and I really like it. It gives like this little subtle, not coverage, but just like a little blurring effect. It's really pretty, gives a bit of a glow, and Yensa is a good brand. If you've not checked out their products, or if you get something, I've been really impressed. I love everything I've gotten from this brand. And the primer goes for $35, which I think is just really kind of like median price range for a high-end primer. So yeah, it was a really good item to get. I was really happy to get this, which is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. Somebody pointed out too that a while back we got a Saturday Skin moisturizer, so this is a good companion to that. And of course, brightening eye cream is going to be great for like your daytime eye cream. And this one goes for $32, and I really like Saturday Skin too. So this was another brand, like I know I like the products, so I'm always going to be really happy to get those. I also got in my gifted box the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I actually really like this one as well. I feel like Stila is really not talked about too much anymore. They had their glitter craze, and then it kind of just fell to the wayside, but their mascara is actually really good. It's got like an hourglass shaped wand, and it does give a lot of volume, but it's not super clumpy, which is why I know that I loved it in the past. So it goes for $23, and again, regular price for a high-end mascara, but really happy to have a restock of it. Something a little bit different we got from Alley-Oop. This is a double-ended brush. Somebody told me too in the comments that for this sponge you can get replacements for it. So inside, underneath the sponge, you have an eyeshadow brush, and it just screws on, and then underneath the blush brush you have a little angled liner brush. So this is supposed to be like all those brushes that you absolutely need for a quick look. Again, I feel like this is great for the purse, great for travel, obviously. I'm not a big fan of double-ended brushes. We already went there. I stand all my brushes up. So to get a double-ended one, I'm just like, I don't know what to do with this, but it does have a sponge end. So I mean, I guess you could squish the sponge if you wanted to. The bristles feel very nice. I haven't tried it out yet and used everything. I might hang on to this, but I do think that it feels pretty darn nice. It is $28, but again, you get 4 tools in one. So I'm definitely gonna have to try it out and see how this works, especially the sponge, because I just don't know. I'm not used to using it like, you know, in this form, but yeah, very intriguing. And as long as you don't mind double-ended brushes, I think this is really cool. I also really like the color scheme. And the last thing in my gifted box was this Estate Cosmetics Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner. This is only $12, so it's really affordable. And I swatched it. It's really nice and black. This was another one. Oops, I accidentally like bumped my knuckle. This was another one that I actually already had in my collection. So I need to like reuse this and just see like, what did I think about that? Because I truly do not remember. And the next time I do a wing, I'm going to use that one because it's getting time to clean out my eyeliners. So this was a $130 value for my gifted box. It's a good mix for me. It's a lot of things that I already have tried and used, but that's bound to happen. I don't get like upset about that at all, but probably most excited for the eye cream and the primer. So that is my gifted box, just a quick recap, and now I'm going to show you what I got in my purchase box. The first thing I noticed is that this has a lot more weight to it, and it's one of their like chunkier boxes. So first up, we got some skincare. I got this Teamy Detox Mask Green Tea Blend. It's got matcha, lemongrass, and clay. I used to actually drink some of the Teamy stuff, and I did like it. So this goes for $29.99, just call it $30. And it's a mineral rich mask. It has organic matcha green tea, lemongrass, bentonite clay, and it's naturally detoxifying. So I actually do have one of these, and I haven't tried it yet. Detoxing masks aren't usually like my go-to. I usually use either like Super Mud for my pores, or I'll go in with hydrating mask, brightening mask, but I will definitely give this one a try. I know skincare is not the most fun try on in videos, so that was one of the reasons I was like, maybe I won't try on this box. But again, okay, $29.99 for that. We also got one more kind of skincare-ish product, which is from Bali Balm, and this is a pineapple lip scrub. I am actually obsessed with pineapple stuff. I could drink pineapple juice all the time. So this is in a little jar. Smell it. It definitely smells like pineapple juice. So I will definitely try this out. Once again, like a product, you can totally try it on in a video. It's just not very exciting. Lip scrubs are pretty standard. I haven't found lip scrubs that I hate. So I'm sure it will be good. And that goes for $23. Now, the only thing that I thought would be really exciting to try on, I can probably put a little bit on over what I have, is the Ace, and I've been saying this wrong. I've been saying Ace Beauty because, you know, but it's Ace Beaute is how they pronounce it. And I actually have on the Oceanic palette today from that brand. I did like a full face get ready with me of black owned brands for TikTok, and I'll probably post at least the look on Instagram. So if you want to see what I'm using and all that, I'll be posting it soon. Anyway, so this is the Essentials Highlighter Palette, and these look so yummy and smooth. Oh, I really, really love their products, everything I've tried so far. So this goes for $40, and it just says it's all you need to get your glow on. Each shade is buildable and easily glides on the skin, giving you a seamless glowing look. Okay, so right now I have on, where's my sponge? I have on Juvia's Place Loose Highlight. I'm just gonna kind of do that, just kind of like tone it down so we can see this highlighter a little bit better. All right, ooh, I don't know which one to go for. We got Icy, Glowing, Poppin'. Ooh, that one's kind of pinkish. That's cute. I feel like that one's definitely a winner. Radiant is also pink, a little bit different. I guess Poppin' almost has like a little bit of a purple effect. This is Poppin' and this is Radiant. Okay, let me just try Glowing. Ooh. I'm gonna try Icy just to see how it looks. Ooh. I don't even know which one I like better. Okay, I'm just gonna mix them. Okay, very glowy, very pretty. Exactly what I expected from a highlight palette from Ace Beaute. I have a hard time saying that because I've been saying Ace Beauty for so long. So again, that goes for $40. The next product, oddly enough, I cannot find this palette, but I just unboxed this and tried this last month. So last month this actually came in my gifted Boxycharm, and this month is in my purchase. Not mad to have a duplicate of it, but yeah, I did already do a look with this that's previous last month's unboxing if you want to see it. But this is the Wander Beauty Wondrous Escape palette. I just have no idea what I did with that palette. I tried to find it because I was like, maybe I could do a different look, and I was, you know, going to think about it. Like maybe I'll go ahead and do a try on, but I can't find it. It's around here somewhere. I'm sure I put it somewhere that I thought was a great idea. That's always what I do. So I'm just gonna quickly show you the colors. I'm not gonna swatch or anything because I can totally give this to someone. And it is a pretty palette. This like aqua color is just beautiful. And then you have some fairly neutral shades. So it's a nice palette. It's pretty, definitely a little bit more on the soft and wearable side, but I did really like the look that I did with this palette. I will use it again once I find it. So this palette goes for $42. Their palettes to me are not the best. I do like their products overall. You can definitely get some more crazy pigmented shadows, Exhibit A, but it's really pretty, especially if you just want something soft. I also got the Illamasqua Hydra setting spray. Sometimes the accent comes out stronger than other times. It's just a simple black packaging. This goes for $26, and it's a lightweight mist that locks in makeup for flawless dewy finish. It's non-sticky and dries fast to set your makeup. It leaves the skin feeling refreshed and moisturized. Okay, let's try it. We can do a little try on. It does have a little bit of a scent that I can tell so far. I did already use setting spray. I used the Beauty Bakery one, but I'm never opposed to extra setting spray. I like it. So definitely for this particular box, I am most excited for my makeup, and it is the Ace Beauty Highlight Palette and the Illamasqua Setting Spray. Getting a duplicate palette is really never that fun. I don't get upset by it by any means, but you know, nothing like getting a palette that you don't already own. And then as for the skincare, I mean, I'll use them, but I can't say that I'm like over the moon about it, but definitely good products to get in my purchase box. These two really make it for me. I have a hard time this month between the boxes, but I actually have to say that I think I like my purchase one just a little bit better, although it's really fun to get the Yuzu brightening eye cream. So yeah, this gives me the edge. So I think I prefer my purchase one a little bit better, but y'all let me know which box out of the two is more preferable for you. That one's kind of a close call, but the highlight, I mean, it's just, oh, it's so pretty, and I just love the brand. So at any rate, that is everything for the unboxing. We kept it kind of quick, little comparison for you. So at any rate, that is it. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Make sure if you're not already following me on TikTok and on Instagram, go follow me. I love posting on TikTok especially, so make sure you hang out with me there. And I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye guys.